Alleged crime boss Ket Matlala fights for bail after being caught with cell phone in prison. Alleged crime kingpin Vusimuzi Ket Matlala is back in the spotlight after prosecutors warned the Johannesburg High Court that he should remain behind bars. Matlala, accused of 11 attempted murders, appeared in court appealing a magistrate's earlier decision that denied him bail. Court documents reveal that Matlala is linked to multiple violent incidents, including the botched 2023 hit on his socialite girlfriend, Tebogo Tobejane. The attack left one of Tobejane's friends paralyzed and forced the actress herself to flee South Africa for her safety after she narrowly escaped death because the hit was really bad. During the hearing, prosecutors painted grim picture of Matlala as a dangerous figure with no regard for the law. They highlighted that he was recently caught with a cell phone inside Kgosi Mampura prison, raising fears that he could continue orchestrating criminal activities from behind bars. Judge Pete Du Plessis has reserved his ruling on Matlala's bail application, promising a verdict by Friday or Monday. Until then, the alleged underworld figure remains locked up, with the decision likely to shape his immediate future and the safety of those connected to his alleged crimes. Stay tuned as we follow this high-profile criminal case that continues to send shockwaves through Johannesburg or South Africa's underworld. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.